Good morning, everyone. This is Srikanth Rajan, and welcome back to the Wealth Management Podcast from mpiinvest.com. Well, yesterday we could not have the Market Pulse video as I had announced I was traveling. I had been to Goa last 3 days and got back yesterday, but then actually was too tired to again come and do the video. So I thought, okay, we'll combine it together for today. I hope you don't mind. Well, so talking about the markets, so we did not have the podcast on Friday and Saturday. Yes, Saturday because market still traded for a short period, but of course I was traveling. So let us talk about what happened on expiry first on Thursday, then Friday, and then Saturday, and then finally we will discuss what is expected this week. So talking about Thursday, as usual, expiry day markets were volatile, and the market being market had a complete negative day where we could see HDFC Bank on Thursday went below. Sorry, HDFC Bank went below 1400 and finally closed just above 1400. It was a major support as we've been discussing for a long time, and the markets were kind of showing bearishness on Thursday with big fall, but then came Friday, the big rally, the huge rally. You should, in fact, go open the charts and have a look at the daily candles. So, the huge rally on Friday, the market just bounced back as if there was no tomorrow. And then on Saturday, for the short 1 hour period, the market just bounces up further and hits a brand new record high and closes, make a brand new record. And the best part was that small hour of trading has taken Indian markets to brand new high. So beautifully, Indian markets have actually broken out. In fact, if you remember the last podcast that we had discussed about the big move in the market. So that big move was held on that Thursday expiry day, but then from there that big move up did finally come. And today, now the markets are clearly looking like it is broken out and into uncharted territory again. So, well, this is something which I, as a trader, don't like because when the markets go into uncharted territory, we really don't have any, numbers to follow, and we sometimes get into trouble. And that's about traders. But keeping traders aside, investors must be really happy. In fact, I still remember one of our investors had actually spoken to me where one of our managed funds had L&T in their holding. So when L&T hit all-time high of 3,000, he spoke to me and said, it is the portfolio managers have not exited yet. Should I hold it or shall I book profit and come out of it? So I told him clearly, it is a portfolio manager's decision. Just don't touch it. Let it continue. And today he is so happy holding on to the decision. L&T has further flown up in the last 2 days. So if you see the way the L&T has flown up and the entire portfolio of the investor has gone up, he's really happy that he held on to the decision of the portfolio manager. And this is exactly why I say many a times, just stick to good fund managers and leave it to them. They will handle it for you and you will make amazing returns. So that's some example that I had to share it with all of you. So this is something very important. Now talking about markets at this point of time, the markets are clearly looking, overbought. But then when technically the markets are going high like this, and I've told you earlier also, unless there is a big hard stop, the markets can continue to go even without a reason. So as of now, there has not been a single reason as such, but then of course HDFC Bank, which is the highest weightage in Indian stock market, has actually started moving up. So that of course is a great thing right now. So let us see how the HDFC Bank continues to perform. Most other banks, even ICICI Bank has hit all-time high. Overall, banks are also starting to perform well at this point of time. IT sector is doing well because the US markets are also doing really well. So overall, markets are looking good at this point of time. March again, there are no results so coming. So basically, markets would be following the global cues for now, and global markets are all looking very positive. So that is giving additional positive to Indian market. So it is after March that we start seeing the new result season coming, and also along with that, Indian elections are coming. So these are two things that can keep us on the toe. However, one important thing to look at for this week is, of course, the holiday shortened week. So Friday is a holiday for Mahashivratri, and because of that, week is closing on Thursday. So expiry and weekly closing is going to happen on Thursday. So that is going to create some pressure on Thursday. But then the good thing is this week we have few important events. So first one, talking about, we have the US services PMI data, which is coming up on Tuesday, that is tomorrow. And then we have the non-manufacturing PMI data also coming in the US tomorrow. And then we have Federal Chairman Powell testifying on Wednesday. So that would be something that people will be watching to understand what are the cues that's going to come out from what he speaks. So that's something to be looked at. And apart from that, we have, on in Indian side, we don't have anything really important as such as of now. But then the holiday on Friday is something which is coming up. So it's a holiday shortened week. So markets, since they've caught a positive momentum, there are chances the markets can see intraday dips, and but then it could be an opportunity to buy. Probably we can see the market going higher. However, the way things are going, it looks like 20 to 500 maybe soon touched. So we are talking about 22,500. A few weeks back, we were talking about 21,900. So where is market going? So this is something about the bull markets. The bull markets are here, and nobody knows whether the bull markets are here or not. But then, of course, I would say we never know when the bull markets are here. We just experience it, or when the bull market ends is where we know, oh, it was a bull market all this while. So that's how the markets are. Markets are unpredictable, but then many a times just staying invested makes a lot of money for us. So it is very important just to stay invested. And the best thing is, if you remember, I had spoken about a daily SIP that I've started with my portfolio, and that is working really well. I see that my portfolio is looking good as of now. So I am expecting this strategy to do well as we go further. So with that, this is Srikanth Rajan signing off. Until we catch up with more details on Wednesday, tomorrow being Tuesday, I don't have a podcast on Tuesday. We'll catch up on Wednesday with more details. So wishing you all a great week ahead. Goodbye. See you. Hey, do remember to press the like button if you love the content that we share. I always keep forgetting that. So do remember to press the like button. That of course motivates us. Bye.